Here why we are going to discuss how to make resume attractive. So first, tell your story. Create a compelling and engaging resume. First, don't clutter the resume. Second, highlight only the relevant achievements and skills. Third, keep it chronological. Fourth, try to keep your CV under one page. Fifth, add hyperlinks of your location web page profile. Second, organize your sections. A well-structured resume is easier to read and shows whether you are an appropriate candidate. Use separations to create visual space. Standard section include first, contact information, second, summary or objective, third, education, fourth, experience, and fifth, volunteering award or fifth, it is certifications. Use a clean resume template. Easy to read resume can help you land that great job. Avoid clutter, different fonts or graphs. Keep your resume clean, conscious, relevant. Here, two resume given. One is correct and another is not correct. In one, there it is columns, tables like are used. So it is perfect. We have used column format. And fourth, use a relevant file name. Resume file name will distinguish your resume from the crowd. Use your name, be brief, use the word resume in file name. Example, first name, last name, resume.pdf. So this is the way to rename your resume. Last, use active voice. The use of active voice engage reader faster. Avoid passive voice in your resume to make it easy to understand, read, conscious, less wordly, impactful. Example, passive verb. A company's first ever virtual event was executed by a team I lead. Accelerated development of the company's inaugural internship program. Revenue was increased by 10%, increased revenue by 10%. A content calendar was built that increased engagement by 15%. Build a content calendar that increased engagement by 15%. So use active voice. Fifth, quantify your resume. Quantities demonstrate that a candidate is result oriented. Use fact, figures, and numbers in bullet points. Standard quantification include timeline of professional experience, detail about team and client, key metrics and KPIs, and bullet points. Next, make it ATS friendly. Many companies use ATS, application tracking system, automated software to electronically pass resume. Use chronological or hybrid resume format. Add major points and keywords for the job description. Don't use headers and footers. Add keywords. It will help you to get your resume noticed by employer. Add relevant keywords that are in the job description. Place a high value on important keywords. Use variations of keywords. So the resume keywords are achieved, improved, mentored, managed, created, resolved, volunteered, go-getter, synergy, go-to person, leadership, valued, results driven, team player, hard worker, strategic thinker, dynamic, self-motivated, detailed oriented, proactive, track record. Use an online proofreading tool. Ensure that no mistakes and error to create a standout resume. Always check grammar, spelling structure, follow and readability. Online proofreading tools. Grammarly, Ginger, Pro Writing Aid, White Smoke. Grammarly, Ginger, White Smoke, Pro Writing Aid. Follow up after you applying. It will show prospective employers your interest in the company and position. Don't just submit and forget. Take the time to follow up and inquire on the status of your submission. Remember, follow up. Do you like this short story? Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.